Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing the Bwine F7GB2 drones with the Mini drone. Both of these drones have unique features and are popular choices in the market. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one is the best fit for you. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial footage, having a high-quality camera is essential. The Bwine F7GB2 drones come equipped with a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal, allowing you to capture videos and photos at up to 3840 by 2160 resolution, providing incredible detail and clarity. On the other hand, the Mini drone features a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera that can be manually adjusted by 90 degrees, delivering impressive aerial shots. Flight time is a crucial factor to consider when purchasing a drone. The Bwine F7GB2 drones come with 2 intelligent batteries, providing a total flight time of up to 50 minutes. This allows for longer flights without constantly worrying about battery life. In contrast, the Mini drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that offer a flight time of approximately 18 to 21 minutes, providing a decent duration for shorter flights. The Bwine F7GB2 drones boast level 6 wind resistance, ensuring a steadier flight even in challenging weather conditions. It also offers a video transmission range of up to 3 kilometers, 9,800 feet, allowing you to capture crisp images and smooth videos from a distance. Moreover, it comes with intelligent GPS-assisted features like GPS auto-return, follow me, and waypoints, making it easier to navigate and control the drone. On the other hand, the Mini drone is designed with safety in mind. It features low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards to ensure a safe flight experience, especially for beginners and kids. Additionally, it offers multiple fun flight modes including 3D flips and the ability to draw a flight path on your smartphone. With voice and gesture control, you can easily command the drone to take photos or videos, adding an interactive element to your flying experience. Based on online reviews, the Bwine F7GB2 drones are praised for their high-quality camera, long flight time, and intelligent GPS-assisted features. Reviewers love the professional-grade aerial footage and advanced capabilities. On the other hand, the Mini drone is highly recommended for beginners and kids due to its safety features and fun flight modes. Reviewers appreciate the easy-to-use controls and enjoyable flying experience. Both drones have their strengths and cater to different needs. So there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Bwine F7GB2 drones and the Mini drone. Both drones have their strengths and cater to different needs. If you're looking for professional-grade aerial footage with advanced features, the Bwine F7GB2 drones might be the right choice for you. However, if you're a beginner or looking for a drone that offers a fun and safe flying experience, the Mini drone is a fantastic option. Remember to consider your budget, intended use, and personal preferences when making your decision. Thank you for watching this comparison video on Buy Smart. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be comparing 2 more exciting products. Until then, happy shopping and fly smart.